Your mind is the most powerful weapon you'll ever own. But right now, you're using it to argue with strangers online, memorize memes, and scroll for hours hoping something will motivate you. Pause. Let me ask you this, what if I told you everything you want? The money, the freedom, the purpose is already sitting between your ears. Beat. But here's the catch, your mind is a weapon. And weapons can protect you or destroy you. And most people, they're self-destructing every single day. Pattern interrupt. By the way, how many tabs do you have open right now? Be honest. This video isn't here to baby you. It's here to wake you up. So if you're serious about building your online income, getting out of survival mode, and actually winning, then stay locked in. Because we're about to upgrade your operating system. The problem, you're wielding your mind wrong. Let's get real. Most of us were never taught how to use our minds. We were trained to obey them. Your mind says, I'm tired, you nap. It says, scroll a little, you lose 3 hours. It says, maybe tomorrow, and your dream dies in silence. Visual, chains wrapped around brain imagery. But here's the cold truth, your brain is lazy by default. It's designed to keep you safe, not successful. It's not trying to help you thrive, it's trying to help you survive. Beat. And guess what? Comfort is survival. But discipline, risk, growth, danger, creating something online, terrifying to your subconscious. Pattern interrupt. Wait, hold up, does your brain panic when you try to open a new tab that isn't Netflix or Reddit? It's not your fault. But it is your responsibility. If you don't program your mind, someone else will. Your TikTok feed is a training simulator, just not one for success. You're getting trained, just trained for distraction. Rewire the weapon, train your mind for money. Let's talk solutions. Your mind is a weapon. So what do you do with a weapon? You train with it. Sharpen it. Master it. Beat. First, let's rewire the default setting. Instead of, I'm not ready, you think, let's try anyway. Instead of, what if I fail? You ask, what if I figure it out? Repetition is the language of the mind. You repeat weakness, you become weak. You repeat power. You become unstoppable. Fire quick exercise. Right now, say this out loud, my mind works for me, not against me. Go on, yes, out loud. I'll wait. Pause. Now let's apply it to making money online. Visual, someone watching a course versus someone building a brand. Don't just consume. Start creating. The person who makes the most money isn't the smartest. It's the one who takes action despite doubt. You don't need a genius brain. You need a trained one. Tactical tips. Wake up ritual, start the day with one hard thing before anything easy. The 3-hour rule, dedicate 3 hours daily to building, not scrolling. Mental diet, limit low-quality input. Start flooding your brain with people actually doing what you want to do. If you want a 6-figure income, stop spending your brainpower watching 6-second skits. Become the warrior, use your mind to dominate. Let's flip the switch. Imagine your mind like a war room. Every day you walk into it with a mission. Build the brand. Launch the product. Make the pitch. And every distraction, every fear, every excuse, is just noise on the battlefield. Visual, person at laptop like a general at war strategy table. You think winners don't feel fear? They just don't obey it. You think successful creators never wanted to quit? They just didn't listen to the voice that said, not today. The new world doesn't reward talent, it rewards those who can outlast their own minds. Beat. the only thing between you and your dream life is the mental fog you let sit in your head. So clear it. Cut it. Control it. Time to choose your side. There are two kinds of people watching this right now. The ones who'll close this tab and go back to the same life. And the ones who'll say, screw it, I'm done sleeping on my own potential. Beat. Your mind is a weapon. But weapons don't work if you don't pick them up. So what are you going to do? Keep scrolling? Or start building? Slow zoom in, emotional tone rises. If you're ready to sharpen your weapon and use it to build something real, hit that subscribe button. Not for me, for you. Because this isn't just motivation. This is mental warfare. And you just got drafted. Musical note outro beat plays, strong, uplifting, epic.